your lovely beauty tip session. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa to Pizza. I'm Master Jaykumar. In this session, we are going to see how to get rid of the most worrying problem, the dandruff. So let's get rid of it with our simple and easy home remedy. And for this very simple method, we are going to use henna powder or mehendi powder. Well, this is available in all the shops. Suppose if you are not able to get henna or mehendi, then no problem. You can straight away take the henna leaves and grind them, put little water and grind them to a fine paste. So here we are going to prepare that. The henna powder. We are going to add lemon juice to this. So here our henna paste is ready. Well, let's look into what are the basic reasons for this dandruff. This dandruff is caused due to a lot of pollution caused by air and the dirt and other things in the air. At the same time, it is also caused due to dry scalp. When there is dry scalp and it's not having enough of oil to fight with it, we have this kind of dandruff problem. And if it's going to be oily, what happens? The dirt settles in your head and then it causes dandruff problem. So there are a lot of issues causing this dandruff problem. Another thing is could be the shampoos what we are using. See, absolutely shampoos are going to really work quicker in removing the dirt, but at the same time they could cause a kind of dryness to your scalp due to the chemicals which are used in it to cause nice foam and make it quicker to clean. So, but no other go, we are using shampoos, and to also have our hair and head free from dandruff, we are going to use such kind of homemade remedies now and then, so that slowly as days go by, not immediately, as days go by, you will definitely find a change in your hair, and this will remove off the dandruff completely. So we have made this paste. Now let's add the besan gram dal flour. Now let's add milk. So as we have already explained, there is a lot of dryness in the scalp. To remove that, we are going to use milk because it has got some cream in it. The cream inside the milk will help to remove the dryness easily from the scalp. So it depends on, like if you feel the dandruff is not caused due to dryness, it's due to some other reason like pollution or air or dirt, then you can even avoid milk and add some water. So let's know what kind it is caused. So now I am adding milk here. So here your anti-dandruff paste is ready. Now take this onto your fingertips like this and to your scalp. Just look at this. Divide your hair into segments. Divide it like this, and within this segments just apply a straight line all over like this. You will be making segments and you will be applying it all over from this end to this end completely, back side, everywhere, and just allow it to remain in your hair for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Minimum of 15 minutes should be there, or if you have time you can allow it for 30 minutes. Just allow it to get dry. Now after 30 minutes you can rinse or wash your hair. You need not use any shampoo, shikakai or any other powder on top of it, because this itself will form a complete cover. Just press it hard and scrub it like this. They will remove the dirt or oil which is in your hair, and then you can rinse them thoroughly. Just follow this method and you are sure to get rid of your dandruff very quickly. So now let's go to the doubt session. So what will happen is you have a doubt like whether this henna color is going to give a coloring to your hair, whether this is going to change your color to brown or golden brown or something like that. No, don't worry. This is not going to change the color of your hair if it is going to be black. If it's going to be black hair, the lemon juice which we have added to the henna is also going to protect the color of your hair to stay to dark black. So it's not going to change at all. But if you have grey hair or if you have white hair, then they are going to change into golden brown or some orange color of shade. So this is one doubt. The other doubt is, I'm going to use lemon. So if that is the case, will I catch cold? Yes, there are chances of you catching cold if you're going to use lemon juice and henna together, but this can stay for just 5 to 10 minutes, will help you to get rid of this cold also. So dear friends, hope you had a lovely session of beauty tip, and this tip is going to really help you well, and you're going to get rid of your dandruff in a very simple and easy method. So if you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and stay tuned with us. Thank you.